Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho chay. First, let's build our flavorful broth. Begin by simmering a rich vegetable stock. Next, gently toast whole spices such as star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks until fragrant. Then, char a large piece of ginger and 1 onion directly over a flame or under a broiler. These steps are crucial for developing the authentic, aromatic foundation of your pho. Once your spices are toasted and aromatics charred, combine them with your vegetable stock in a large pot. Add a few dried shiitake mushrooms for an umami boost. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 45 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, ensuring a perfectly clear and fragrant base. With your broth ready, it's time to prepare the other components. Cook your preferred rice noodles until al dente, then rinse them to prevent sticking. Thinly slice a variety of fresh vegetables such as carrots, bok choy, and various mushrooms. Also, prepare your protein, perhaps some pan-fried tofu or tempeh. Don't forget a generous array of fresh herbs like Thai basil, cilantro, and mint. Now for the best part, assembly. Place a portion of cooked rice noodles into a large bowl. Arrange your prepared vegetables, tofu, and fresh herbs over the noodles. Carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic pho broth over everything. Garnish with fresh lime wedges, sliced chilies, and a drizzle of hoisin or sriracha sauce if desired. Enjoy your delicious homemade pho chay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.